main idea of going towards the union is not only for the how the union backs you up and like takes care of you, I guess you could say, but also the benefits. The benefits is a really big thing that a lot of people tend to think about going union. That benefit, the retirement is huge. If you're a non-union worker and you either don't get in with a company that will give you those benefits and that insurance, or you don't pay into it yourself, like myself, I have a Roth IRA that I pay into.
Yeah, me too.
And I max it out as quick as I can, as often as I can. If you don't pay into that, when you hit 65 or whenever you decide to retire, you're on your own with whatever you've saved up.
Right.
So the union is a very appealing option that you don't have to pay into that. They pay into it with the scale that comes off the top of your pay.
Gotcha. And one of the cool things here is we don't mind if you go union or non-union. So the students are free to choose whatever they want to do.